target type. Located under the nose of the aircraft is the 30mm cannon. This fires 10 rounds a second out to distances of over 4 kilometers. The pilot wears a monocle over their right eye, which they can use to aim and fire the gun. Finally, the large dome on top of the aircraft is the fire control radar, known as the FCR. This can find large amounts of targets, and with its computer, prioritise the most dangerous for the crews to shoot at.
Well, loop and loop-de-loops.
I've seen a link to it.
Back into the scenario, the crews are now manoeuvring low level using the fire control radar, that FCR, to find any targets that are out there. This kind of flying is known as nap of the earth, or NOE to the crews. Aircraft is in the low-level environment.
Apache, you're taking fire from the airfield. Roger, enemy sighted. We're repositioning to attack with 30mm cannon. Apache, you're cleared hot.
Okay, so the Apache has received some further fire from the ground, enemy ground, and is now positioning by use of a return to target for a 30mm strike from the left.
I got them.
Apache, good shooting, request you call.
The Apache is climbing back into the overhead to get a better perspective into the target area. This is routinely used by crews because height gives us a better perspective to look in there.
You've seen them doing this over the marshes at Felixstowe Ferry.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, practicing these manoeuvres. It's not shooting anything. Something's about to explode.
The crew going 90 degrees nose down there, giving you an opportunity to see how manoeuvrable this aircraft is and how quickly it can change direction even from the hover.
Is it going to explode?
Apache, in hot.
Is someone still with our backs?
Apache, this is Hammer. Great shooting.
Ladies and gentlemen, the crew are now performing a punt. This takes the aircraft right to its limits of 90 degrees nose up and is no mean feat in a 10-ton aircraft. You'll be pleased to know the Apache, in coordination with the ground call sign, has successfully destroyed all the targets.
Hey, record that.
Get your cameras at the ready, ladies and gentlemen, as the crew conducts a quick stop into the hover in front of you.
Of course things have to explode.
On behalf of every model from the Attack Helicopter Force of Watership, we'd like to thank our sponsors, CH-64 and Event Horizon, the expert team who made the pyrotechnics that you saw so effective today. Finally, we'd like to thank you, the British general public, for your continued support to the British Armed Forces. Thank you very much.